subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
OnePlus has launched. The successor of last year launched OnePlus 10R smartphone in India as OnePlus 11R with quite unique rear camera module. Now let's take a look at the specifications of the smartphone. The OnePlus 11R features a tall 6.74-inch Full HD Plus Super Fluid AMOLED display with up to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and up to 1450 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10+ certified and it has a large 20.1:9 aspect ratio. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset paired with Adreno 730 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the OnePlus 11R supports a triple camera setup under circular ring at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with Sony IMX890 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view alongside the 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 13 out of the box with Oxygen OS 13 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 100W Superbook S charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.4 by 74.3 by 8.7mm, and it weighs around 204 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OnePlus 11R has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 39,999 Indian rupees, while the 16GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 44,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone will be up for pre-orders in the country starting from February 21st in Sonic Black and Galactic Silver color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from February 28th. So what do you guys think of this OnePlus 11R 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.